Alright everyone, I'm here with another layout. The background is basil rosette cardstock. And that floral layer is Pinks Paisley's Paige Evans number 3 for Monaco. So I still have quite a bit left from Make It, so I'm still working on Make It, and I have 6 layouts done. This is layout number 5. I'm working on layout number 7, but I haven't had time to do it. I haven't even finished my power washing on my driveway. When I went to get the mail, I was like, oh wow, you can see a little bit, not a lot, a little bit of where I left off. But I paid for water, so I'm scared because I power washed off the driveway 3 days in a row for hours. So I'm like, oh my gosh, I'm paying for water. I better stop. Just without power washing, our water is $60. So I'm scared. I need to get a hose that will reach all the way to the front of the house so I can use the irrigation system, which I don't run because it needs sprinklers fixed and one got broke. Anyway, and so our irrigation system needs a little work, but it's attached to the well, and so I need to utilize that, take advantage of that. I think I'm going to go get me some wildflower seeds and sprinkle those in my flower beds. Hey Coco, what you doing, baby girl? Her ears bothering her. I need to, she kept waking me and Alex up last night, so I need to clean her ears. No. Now you need me to clean your ears, girl. Anyway, so, pink with the orange polka dots is Miss Modern Stamp Market. No, Coco. No. She's sniffing the cat's hard food, which, yeah, they go through hard food. I need to go get more. I'm sorry for Theo. There's Mateo. He got up. He was trying to get Theo to get off. There, he pushed him. And I'm like, it's okay. Anyway, so the stickers are Dear Lizzie, because I think I had him outside. He gets up and he lets them in. It's like, oh. Yeah. And he comes back. Alright, and my title again is American. All my titles I printed these pool. I was like, oh my gosh, this kit is mostly summer type themed. So I am using the American Craft Sunshine Thickers on several layouts. I cut the phrases out and put them with the pictures, which pictures I'm going to use with which phrase, and put them up. But anyway, so my die cuts, I use stickers, and the die cuts, of course, if I use die cuts, are going to be File Tab and Phrase sticker is Stamp Market. And I use stickers, and that's it. That's some ink splatters, and voila. Oh, and washi tape, too. Like Summer Market. And that's it. So when I'm all done, I'll be back with those. Bye.